Good morning and welcome back to North Dakota today. Well, Wednesdays without John David Berdahl just wouldn't be the same.
No.
Of course not. So we have you back in studio with an art project. What are we doing today?
Certainly. So before we get going, I have some news. I mean, it's a coincidence. I just had a baby giraffe born at my apartment. Two.
Stop it.
Just like at Disney World. Isn't that amazing? And I brought a bear today. You know, you were talking about bears?
Suspicious
Come
of
on.
this.
No, I didn't really
I was
bring a
like,
bear.
wait.
Yeah.
It's like, hold on,
What
where's this
is
going?
happening?
Yes.
Exactly. Thank you for indulging that. And so we're going to be working on this sort of printing, this foam printing project. Okay, so I've got this foam. I got this at Dollar Tree. I got these sponges, these types of sponges at Dollar Tree. As you can guess, I got most of this at Dollar Tree. This is no-cost art. Okay?
We love that you make these crafts very affordable for all our viewers at home.
Hopefully.
Yes.
Yep, and so I got these craft tools there too. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to press into the bottom part of this foam with a tool, a pattern, whatever you think ought to be on the bottom, and we're going to put some paint, okay, on the bottom. Are you getting? And then I brought some paper here, and then you just press that on here, boop, and there you go. You got your own little print.
Okay, so I know a lot of your projects are inspired by artists. Is
Yeah.
this craft inspired by anybody specifically?
No, not one specific artist. I had yet to find, you know, I know I've got a book where Michelangelo really didn't take styrofoam stuff,
Yeah.
you know, and
Styrofoam wasn't his thing.
in case someone didn't know that, he really didn't have styrofoam to work with while he was working on the you know,
You're full of jokes
the
today.
ceiling. Shall I stop? Is that?
No, I love it.
Bring on the bear.
It's encouraged.
Oh, I thank you so much. Well, yeah, that's what I do. I just said earlier, it's kind of like, hey, if it's too much, let me know. I'm not going to stop, but let me know.
That's hilarious.
Keywords, not
that's
gonna
me
stop.
being me. So yeah, I brought some gloves for
Okay.
everyone, you know, and so I'm going to open this up. And so you're already thinking about a pattern, perhaps?
Well,
A
I'm,
heart you could put on there?
that would be good. I know this is kind of interesting to me. I'm trying to figure out what I would like to put on
So
there.
there's a tool right there.
Okay.
There's one.
Would you recommend doing less intricate or more intricate designs on this styrofoam?
More intricate will just take longer.
Okay.
So that's up to you. You know, it's like if there's going to be a lot of lines or if there's going to be, I don't know, a really detailed or
you.
ornate sort of pattern. Yeah, here's the foam.
All
You
right.
got a piece too.
I feel like a
Great.
surgeon. This one's like a scalpel.
Okay, well, yeah, I guess I was going to talk about art, but yeah, let's talk about surgery. Let's do that. And yeah, so some of the projects that I'm working on too are going really, really well. You know, classes are really filled up. Thank you so much for allowing me to talk about them. You know, on this program.
Absolutely. So speaking of, what are you working on recently?
Oh, okay. So yeah, my dad's podcast became a radio show, so we're on Radio Free Fargo on Saturdays at 2.
Wow.
Yeah, that's really cool. And actually, a band that we talked about their group, they're called Orpheus.
Uh-huh.
They had a hit in 1968 with Can't Find the Time, it's called.
Okay.
Yeah, the song goes like, can't find the time to tell you. Whoa. So anyway, so yeah.
We're getting a concert today too.
One, I
Yes,
love
and
it.
so they emailed and said, hey, one of our fans told us that your dad was talking about, you know, our song. So,
Yeah.
you know, we're going to put your episode on our website. And I'll do it.
Oh, that is awesome.
Yes.
Now the sensation of the tool going into the
Yeah,
styrofoam
just listen to that.
is really not my favorite.
Oh,
it's kind
really?
of like nails on a chalkboard.
Oh, whoa.
If I'm being quite honest.
Oh, shucks.
I
so
do have a
Do you
question.
think there ought to be like earplugs or maybe earmuffs for some individuals?
I don't know.
maybe?
I'm having like
have a
sensory
sensitivity?
issues.
Oh, no.
Different for everyone. I'm not minding it, but how deep am I supposed to be cutting into
Oh,
this
just
styrofoam?
enough so that, there we go, paint won't get in there. Oops. And
Oh,
I cut
okay.
quite a bit, so I'm just
Oh, I don't think I'm going.
So don't be making any holes in your
So
styrofoam.
yeah, so I'm just starting to, you know, put some lines in there
Okay.
just to put a pattern. I'm working a little more geometric than organic. You're
Okay.
working a little more organic than geometric.
Yes.
So she's making these types of lines.
I don't know if this is
On
going to
there.
be able to show up. Maybe if
And then I'm putting straight lines, and so this is more geometric, that's more organic.
I'm trying to do zebra print, but I don't think I'm doing it deep enough.
Here we go.
See, you
will
can't
see.
even see it at all.
I should have done giraffe print.
Hey,
Keep on the animal
Don't
theme.
should all over yourself,
You're right.
right?
You're right.
Yes, just do what you think is best, right?
Okay, and then you said we start sponging paint onto these
Yeah.
styrofoam things.
Yeah.
You guys know we love doing this over 2 segments so we can keep making our art in the commercial break. So we are going to head to that right now, but we're going to be working away. We'll see you in just a little bit.